In the farming cycle, there are 5 stages, including renovation, stocking, nursery, grow out, and harvest stage. This video will show you how to switch stages within a farming cycle. First, we'll moving to the renovation stage. When the farming cycle starts, the pond is in the renovation stage. During this stage, the focus is on tasks related to bacteria analyses, pond cleaning, and stocking register. For example, in pond cleaning, tap the plus button to a task. Enter description, then tap the plus button. Select a product, quantity, and unit. Tap OK. Tap Save. After adding tasks, tap Switch to the stocking stage. Next, we'll go to stocking stage. At this time, the pond status changes to stocking stage. During this stage, the focus is on tasks related to count shrimp post larvae, environmental condition, water treatment, stocking, etc. Before switching the next stage, you need to add a stocking task. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, tap Stocking. Select shrimp post larvae name. Enter ordered quantity, actual quantity, post larvae age. Tap Stocking. Tap Switch Pond to the nursery stage. We're moving on to nursery stage. At this time, the pond status changes to nursery stage. During this stage, the focus is on tasks related to check shrimp health, feed, environmental parameter measurement, water treatment, etc. For example, in feed, tap the plus button to a task, enter description, then tap the plus button. Select a product, quantity, and unit, tap OK, tap Save. After adding tasks, tap Switch Pond to the grow out stage. Next, your pond status will go to grow out stage. At this time, the pond status changes to grow out stage. Similar to the nursery stage, you can tap the plus button to add tasks and record the daily log. After completing all stages, tap Harvest. Finally, we're going on to harvest. In harvest, tap the plus button. There are 3 harvest types to choose. Harvest all means harvesting all shrimp in the pond, and the farming cycle will end at the time of harvest. Be mindful of the harvest timing and ensure this task is scheduled as the final one in the farming law. Partial harvest allows you to harvest a portion of the shrimp, and the harvested quantity will be deducted from the total stock. The current survival rate will decrease proportionally after this task. Close is used to close the farming log, marking the pond as terminated, and the total survival rate for this farming cycle will be set to 0. Fill in all the required information for the harvest task, including output, shrimp size, shrimp price, feed quality evaluation. The revenue will be automatically calculated based on the output and shrimp price. Tap Save. Now, you know how to switch between stages, from the beginning to the end of the farming cycle.